Dive into the vibrant heart of Polynesia with the Marotea Cultural Experience. Here, ancestral traditions come alive as you learn from experts in dance, music, and art. Picture yourself mastering the art of tapa making or swaying to the rhythm of traditional dances. Your journey begins with a welcoming orero speech, setting the tone for a day of authentic connection. Choose 4 workshops from an extensive list, including the intricate braiding of a Moor or the fiery techniques of ahi making. Between sessions, indulge in local delicacies during coffee breaks, culminating in the sumptuous flavors of a Maya Tahiti lunch. This half-day adventure runs from 9 a.m. to 1:30 p.m., with a minimum of 2 and a maximum of 21 participants. While transfers are not included, we recommend renting a car or booking a taxi. Remember to dress comfortably for an active day and protect yourself from the sun. For those with special needs or conditions, please inform us in advance to ensure a seamless experience. Embrace the spirit of Tahiti and leave with memories and a souvenir that will last a lifetime. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.